Let's talk about MadMuscles. Is this fitness application worth it or a waste? So, MadMuscles is a fitness application that gives you structured workout plans for home or gym training. It's heavily advertised as a personal trainer in your pocket, but real user experiences show a mix of useful features and serious concerns. So, what MadMuscles actually is? It provides personalized workout plans based on your goals, home and gym exercise routines, guided daily training sessions, basic progress tracking, and reminders. Many users say the app can be helpful in certain areas. Simple workout plans that are easy to follow, good for beginners who don't know where to start. Home workouts require a little to no equipment you can build consistently through daily structure. And what users complain about is subscription confusion, which is automatic renewals or unclear pricing, refund and cancellation difficulties, upselling of extra plans or add ons during sign up. Some users feel charges were not clearly explained upfront. There are also Reddit users reporting unexpected charges or difficulty stopping payments, which raises trust concerns for some customers. So, is it legit or a scam? MadMuscles is not a fake app. It does provide workouts and functions as described. It is considered legit but controversial. The main issue is billing practices and subscription clarity, not the workouts themselves. So it has a good 6.5 out of 10 rating, which is good for beginners, simple home workouts, and people who need structure and motivation. And it's not ideal for advanced fitness training or users who want a full transparency and simple one time pricing, and people who dislike subscription based apps. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.